Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bonk update today. I've actually spoken about Bonk breaking above this trend line, and yes, it has actually proven to be really good that Bonk has already broken the trend line, and it has done really beautifully, exceptionally well, right? So you broke up, you came down for the retest. This is everything, right? This is exactly, as a trader, what you really want to trade. This is exactly what you should be trading, by the way. Now the thing is, you have made move up, come down, move up, maybe come down a little bit more and start to go back to the upside. It could be even safe to say we have a technical journey to 4074. This is where you probably should be heading up to on a perfect scenario after breaking below the trend line. Now there's one more pattern, and I think it's a little bit of a maybe inverted head and shoulder. You have left shoulder, head, and right shoulder as well. So you're now breaking above the trend line, in my opinion. And yes, there could be chances where we do get a small little drop down here, and this could be your entry if you don't have an entry. And this particular pattern can take you all the way from there to there, and you could be looking at 3361, at least here, right? So the first target and then the second target. I'm just going to drop the blue line as well so that we don't get confused. So this is going to be your first target, that's going to be your second one. This is due to, the first one is due to the inverted and shoulder, second one is due to this support and resistance break to go back up. So that's all for the video. The case is pretty strong, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.